how to organize MAILCHIMP audience. So first, go to your MAILCHIMP here, then just click on audience at the left side, and then just click on all contacts. After that, you will see all of your contacts here, or your audiences. So let's say you want to arrange or organize your audiences by their email address. Just click on email address. So if you want to organize it by first name, just click on first name. As you can see, it's that easy. And you can also click all of these here if you want to organize it by these ones. So let's say you want to remove a column, any of the columns here, and let's say, for example, you only want to see the email address, the first name, the last name, and the phone number. So just click on columns, and then let's uncheck the address, birthday, and the company, and just click on apply. And as you can see, now you only see this once. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.